Tired of wondering who's snooping around in your Peachtree accounting files? Here's how to import file access to Peachtree in less than 90 seconds. First, navigate to the Maintain menu in your Peachtree accounting system. This is where the magic happens for user and security management. From the Maintain drop-down, select Users, and then choose Set Up Security. This will open the User Security window. Here, you can manage user access and permissions. In the User Security window, you'll see a list of existing users. Select the user you want to grant specific file access to. If you need to add a new user, click Add User and follow the prompts to create a new user account and fill out the username, password, and full name. Next, click on the Roles tab. This tab defines the level of access a user has within Peachtree. Click the New button and enter a role ID and a description for the new role. Under the new role are different permission options. Expand the module they need permission for. Enable or disable access to specific files and areas within Peachtree by checking or unchecking the corresponding boxes. For example, you might grant a user access to enter invoices but restrict their access to customer credit limits. Return to the User List tab and use the Role drop-down to assign that specific role to the user. Once you've configured the user's access rights, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully imported file access permissions for a user in Peachtree, enhancing your data security and ensuring compliance.